Hey guys, it's Spicy Nachos, and today will be my first commentary video. For those who don't know me, I am typically known as a Tornado log bait player, so today I decided to put a little spin onto that, and I will be playing this Firecracker Mighty Miner Tornado bait deck. And we're going to be trying this out on the Trophy Road. Okay, it looks like for our first game, it's going to be against Death to China. Very interesting name there. We'll start the game off with a Goblin Burrow on his tower. It looks like with his Phoenix, it could still probably be anything. Phoenix and arrows is making me believe it's either Graveyard or Lava Hound. Let's hope it's Graveyard and not the latter. Okay, with Firecracker, it's very much leaning towards being possibly RG actually, but we'll see. We'll do an Ice Spirit right here to get King Tower activation. Our own Firecrackers can do some good work there. A Mighty Miter to center to take care of these E-Barbs. Abilities to make it a little bit easier to kill. Ooh, he wasted a lightning. I might have to go in here. With a Princess and Goblin Burrow with the Mighty Miter to tank. Yep, he was low because of his failed lightning. I believe we can just do Goblins down here to just kill the Phoenix. Oops. Oh well. All good in the hood. With that Firecracker, I'm very comfortable just using an Ice Spirit here to fully counter. Princess for cycle. I'm gonna Mighty Miner to the back because if he goes opposite lane, I don't care too much. Okay, so it looks like he's gonna have E-Giants, which will not be fun. But that means we would have to abuse our Firecracker as best as we can. Goblin Burrow for chip here. And here comes the abuser. Firecracker back. We'll Goblins to center here. We'll turn to everything back here. Log. Firecracker's doing an amazing job. Firecracker killed that entire push, which is amazing. Okay. Now we need to make sure that we killed their evil Firecracker. Good, with taking minimal damage. So we're gonna go for a barrel here. And Princess here. Always get the stack. Looks like he might go for a push. So I'm gonna try to spread out everything I have. Firecracker on the opposite one here. Oh, we killed that mini Pekka, great. Now I'm very much gonna go Princess at the bridge. Get rid of that Firecracker as soon as I can. And a lot of chip for our Princess there. Ice Spirit to kill that Phoenix. Firecracker medallion. Okay, great. Now I'm gonna do Princess opposite lane to always try to separate all of our spammy cards. He's forcing Nado, so I can just go for a simple log Goblins. Fully kills that E-Gem before he even gets close to our tower. Princess the bridge, and that should be game. A good first game to showcase how strong the Firecracker Tornado combination could be. Okay, for our second game here, we're against Merom. Very cool name there. We'll start off with the Goblins at the bridge, because I don't know what else to cycle. Alright, with Bandit, I feel good just playing a Mighty Miner down. If he has Magic Archer, oh, he puts that in the back, okay. So what I want to do, I want to get rid of that Magic Archer as soon as I can, so I'll Tornado it closer to me, and then place it on. And then I'll do a little bit of a late log, so I can clip the barbs inside as well. Ice Spirit to prevent more damage, and just Goblins surround the Ghost. Now we just go in for a barrel and apply some pressure. Okay. With him playing Bandit, I really want to get King Tower, so I'm just gonna hold it down here and see if we can activate. And we do. Great. Now I want Firecracker actually for the damage. Nice Spirit up high. Log up here. And then put Goblins. Alright, very good distract here. One Barb gets away, but it's okay. Goblin Baron for pressure now. Firecracker chip. It's great. And that's some really good damage for us here. Nice Spirit up high. Kill that Bandit. And I'm just gonna do a late log for this Ghost. So only gets one hit. Great. So now it's time for Princess Firecracker spam. Princess at the back here, so the opponent has to make a decision on what he wants to kill. Mighty Miner same lane. Barrel to pressure, then Goblins. To kill that round. Okay. He's okay. I'm okay with the Ghost going there. So I can just leave it. Go for the Goblin Barrel. Tornado everything together. Almost kill that Magic Archer. But we do get a Firecracker hit. Okay. Princess, we log that. So we're back to Mighty Miner. We can fight this Princess here. Ooh, it kites. Goblins to the side. Kill that. Goblin Barrel again for pressure. Log this to kill that Magic. And that should be game. Okay, for our final game here, we're against I am Fabio Beja. Alright. We're just gonna cycle Goblins at the bridge, like always, since it's a pretty okay opening play. Uses Zap, so it makes me think that he's either using Lava Hound or P.E.K.K.A. And it looks like this time it's gonna be P.E.K.K.A. with the E-Wiz. Or perhaps Giant. We'll see. I'll log this back here to kill that. And the Bandit just confirmed my suspicions. We are going to be playing as P.E.K.K.A. for the second time today. Ooh, interesting. There's a log and Zap in this deck. Okay. With the Baby Dragon, it makes me think he has Ram Rider. There it is. Ram Rider P.E.K.K.A. And then I have a feeling he's gonna have lightning at the end. Alright, good Mighty Miner log there to defend that rather cheaply. Just gonna go in for a barrel for pressure. Princess of the bridge. Get a little bit of chip. This is my Ice Spirits on our level. I'm just gonna go for Goblins. Does the trick there. I want to try to get King Tower activated with no damage, so I'm going to Ice Spirit here. Then go for Tornado. Oh, did not get the activation, and I took damage on my tower. That's unfortunate. But it's okay, we move. Go in for a barrel. Because King Tower is not always the end of the world. Mighty Miner, and just a simple log should do the trick. That drill should definitely put in the work. Firecracker to DPS down that Baby Dragon. Ice Spirit to protect it. Let's go for the Goblins at the bridge and then barrel. Log here. Mighty Miner to protect. Hope that's fine. You can still kill that Ram Rider very easily. Ooh, very strong. Force the barrel here, unfortunately. Alright, this is not looking too good, but we'll see if we can come back. Princess the back there. Firecracker for DPS. With his log, I really want to go for a barrel. First we need to defend this. This lightning. Because he uses log and he likes to use He was on the side there. I'm gonna put on the other side. Oh, there it is. Due to his patterns of playing Ewiz on the other side. Well, outside tower. Princess at the back. Pressure with a tricky barrel and Ice Spirit. Alright, he's forced to do that. I'm gonna do Mighty Miner here to defend our princess. Spawn here as well. So we can apply pressure opposite. I'm gonna Tornado and Log. I'm gonna ignore that bandit, because I'm not too worried about that left side tower. Barrel. Do a low Ice Spirit here. Goblins up high to prevent some damage. Okay, Mighty Miner the bridge to protect that Firecracker. Log back. Nado back because he wants to run him up. There it is. Firecracker the bridge. Goblins the bridge. Log. Okay, now we can go for our own barrel since he had to use yours. Yep, he's out of spells. I'm gonna do Firecracker and Tornado the bridge. Okay, and that is good. Very good use of baiting there to make sure we can get damage on the tower. And thank you for watching this first commentary of mine. Please leave a comment down below if you would like to see more, and always feel free to comment down suggestions that you guys have, since I'm going to be trying to do this more often. Thank you guys and have a good day.